Good morning, everyone. My lovely juniors here are going to prepare for you their almond, coconut, pineapple pops. Let's get started. Oh, that's looking good. Toasted coconut, toasted almonds, and the caramel. From Kaylin, Jayla, and Elizabeth. Thank you, ladies. Wonderful job. Beautiful. Now there you have it.